Setting up your Luna controller for Fire TV requires checking compatibility and choosing the right connection method for optimal gaming performance. First, ensure your Fire TV device is compatible. Luna works with Fire TV Stick Lite, Fire TV Stick HD, Fire TV Stick 4K, Fire TV Stick 4K Max, and Fire TV Cube. The Luna controller offers three connection methods: Cloud Direct via Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and USB-C. Cloud Direct provides the lowest latency for Fire TV gaming. To set up Cloud Direct, launch the Luna app on your Fire TV and follow the on-screen prompts. For Bluetooth pairing, navigate to Controllers and Bluetooth devices in your Fire TV settings. For optimal performance, ensure you have a stable internet connection. Amazon recommends at least 10 megabits per second for Luna gaming. For Xbox Cloud gaming, speeds beyond 20 megabits per second are recommended, with Microsoft suggesting 30 megabits for best performance. Your Luna controller is now ready for Fire TV gaming. Choose Cloud Direct for the best latency, ensure your internet meets speed requirements, and you're set for cloud gaming. With your Luna controller connected, you can now access Amazon Luna's extensive game library. Amazon Luna offers cloud gaming that streams games directly from Amazon's servers. Amazon Luna is currently available in 4 regions: the United States, the United Kingdom, Germany, and Canada. Make sure you're in one of these supported regions to access the service. Xbox Game Pass Ultimate members can also access cloud gaming directly through the Xbox app on Fire TV. This gives you access to hundreds of Xbox games without needing an Xbox console. Both Luna and Xbox Cloud Gaming work on specific Fire TV devices. The Xbox app is available on Fire TV Stick 4K Max 2023 and Fire TV Stick 4K 2023 models, while Luna supports a wider range of Fire TV devices. To start playing, simply launch either the Luna app or Xbox app on your Fire TV. Browse the game library, select a game, and it will start streaming immediately. No downloads, installations, or updates are required. For the best gaming experience, ensure you have a strong Wi-Fi connection. Amazon recommends at least 10 megabits per second for Luna, while Xbox Cloud Gaming works best with 20 megabits per second or higher. If you experience lag, try using the Luna controller's Cloud Direct connection for reduced latency.